Good morning, guys. It's time for the hash brown prep breakfast that the wife did at home. Now we're at the campsite. Breakfast time, getting hungry. So we're just gonna start up the little stove here first. Let's get this pan heated up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the sausage, breakfast sausage that we got, we're actually gonna slide it out of the casings. It's the first thing we're gonna do this morning. Because Lord knows, I'm so not good at doing this part. Wasps are gonna love this.
Do you have a little knife? You could probably break this up too.
And here they come.
And this is the leftover kielbasa from
Wasps, I tell ya. There you go, guys. I'm gonna cook this up. Then we'll show you when we start adding other stuff. Okay, so we've got this all nice and fried up. We got a little bit of kielbasa in there, a little bit of sausage. It looks yummy. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add in the hash browns.
Let's see if these suckers work. And frozen to yummy. Let them know they kind of defrosted.
So they've defrosted in there, so they should cook up pretty quick.
Yeah, he's moving.
There you go, guys. Be right back when we start to add the egg. So the hash browns are looking good. I think it's almost time to add the eggs. Hey, quick question for you. Leave a comment below if you have the answer for this. Wasps, bees, when you're camping, two problems. One, they come after you. Number two, when you're cooking, they want to eat too. If you have an idea how to keep them away, leave a comment. Let's add some eggs. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna push it a little aside to make like a little river. Camping at the river, right? Let's push it aside, dump the eggs in there. So the eggs are already cracked, cooled, and ready to go.
So we cracked them at home, stuck them in a Ziploc baggie, added salt and pepper to them, and just mixed them all up. And then you just grab the bag and go instead of all the eggs.
So the reason we're putting it in the middle first is we don't want to make the hash browns all soggy until the eggs start to cook, and then we'll mix it all in and scramble them in there. So I'm just gonna let this sit a little bit. I'm back in a second. Okay, guys, we've got the eggs in there. We scrambled them all in there. This is a lot. Me and the wife don't know how to cook for a little bit of people, but if you've got some neighbors that like breakfast or brunch, invite them over, you can have some. Gotta be friendly, right? So we've got some leftover cheese from some kielbasa and cheese that we had. You know what? Let's just throw it in there. So this is not expensive at all, guys. This is all about camping on a budget, making the best that you've got. So even here's a cheese slice, right? Some may like cheese slices, some may not. So we're just gonna throw some of that in there too.
It was kind of an afterthought. Just grabbed a piece and thought, why not?
Right? Cheese is cheese. It's awesome, guys. This is awesome. It smells so good. Let's give that a little bit of a stir. Melt some of that cheese in there. I've already turned the heat off because I don't want it to be too hot. The cheese will melt. Look at that. Doesn't that just look just awesome? Smokes, guys, I'm being attacked by bees, but I gotta try this. Oh, so good. Easy, quick. If you like these type of videos, please smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified the next upcoming video we have. Until next time, guys, that's it. That's all. Hope you all had a ball. We are out of here.